welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cute stamps. So come, let's go into the video. Take a piece of foam sheet, no matter whatever color it is, and next sketch your favorite doodles on it. Here is a alien or a robot and here is a cactus. Take a pen and deeply press on it. Continue doing it till it's pressed well. I have pressed the robot with the pen and next we can move to the cactus. We did the same step to the cactus too. Now the next step is we have to cut this too. So come, we can cut it. So first we are going to cut the robot. So now I have cut the robot. I have cut this both now. Now we'll go to our next step, that take a cardboard and we have to paste this robot in the cardboard. Glue it on the back side of the foam sheet. After gluing it, you can paste now. Let it dry. So now I have repeated the same step for this too. Now let's check whether it is working or not. First, let's check the robot. So now let's check it out. So it is working. You can also try it in home and enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye.